Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. I hope everybody's having a great day today. I hope everybody had a great weekend so far. And today we are going to be talking about Ripple XRP. First and foremost, I just want to say we're also going to be addressing the market as we do move forward. The market looks extremely healthy, like I said. I said it in my last two videos today, actually, as we do see EOS, which is a legacy OG token, making moves throughout the market as well. A lot of these OG tokens really paved the way for alt season. Bitcoin is nearing make it or break it levels. Once we pass over the 54K zone, I think that is a clear validation for us to have a massive run in the market. Ethereum is almost breaking 4K. Bitcoin is ranging around that 51.6K zone. We also see XRP, just kind of sitting around $1.30, which is its major overall resistance zone. Now, in regards to this, I'm also watching a lot of coins like Litecoin, for an example, as they are like Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, even Ethereum Classic. A lot of these OG assets that have been, around for, ever. A lot of them are making significant moves. For an example, Litecoin is up almost 6%, up 28.6% on the 7-day span. Bitcoin Cash is up 12.43%. We also see a lot of other coins like Ethereum Classic up 14% as well. And like I said, EOS up 23% almost. So a lot of these OG assets are telling us, hey, we are ranging to go higher. And if Bitcoin could, cooperate with us, we could see a massive shift in the market very soon. So with that being said, I just want to jump into some XRP news. So first and foremost, we do see the SEC doesn't want Ripple to see their employees trading in financial activities, which to me means only one thing. The SEC employees owned and traded XRP. This will soon be over as Judge Netburn realizes the SEC has been playing games all along. And this is exactly what we've been talking about, right? I've been saying it for a very long time. There is no doubt in my mind that the SEC employees were holding XRP, were trading it, whatever the case may be, especially even going back to Jay Clayton. Jay Clayton most likely held XRP, sold it before the lawsuit happened, and shifted it into Bitcoin and or Ethereum, even in regards to One River, right? I mean, come on. You can't really, it's not that hard to connect the dots. He sues XRP right before he basically steps down. Then, in March, he joins One River as their overall council member to oversee the trading activities in regards to Bitcoin and Ethereum. I mean, it doesn't really take a rocket scientist to connect the dots here. It's very simple. The corruption is out there. It's very public. And I think that this SEC case is a clear validation point for that. Now, also in regards to this, we see XRP versus Bitcoin. Internet of value versus store of value. And the reason why I'm talking about a lot of this stuff, right, and especially why I even bring up the SEC lawsuit, is because I do think that Ripple and XRP will 100% win this. And then we also see a whole bunch of things in regards to, XRP's value versus Bitcoin's value. I'm just going to say it right now, okay? I would not be surprised if XRP hit a $2 trillion market cap this bull run, because even right now we are expecting Bitcoin to nearly hit a $2 trillion market cap. And what is stopping XRP when we talk about the actual value behind it? We're talking about multiple use cases. We're talking about even B2B payments, which I've been talking about for a very long time. That's a $1 trillion plus market right there. And we're talking about tens of trillions to hundreds of trillions, bridge currency, store of value, medium of exchange. We're even talking about sourcing global liquidity, smart contracts, micropayments, instant cross-border settlements, securities and FX settlements. Now, one thing is significantly missing from this, and this goes back to B2B payments, is SME payments. SMEs, line of credits with that ODL service. That is a huge market as well. That is a $10 to $15 trillion market, $100 to $150 billion exchanged a year. SMEs are nothing to disregard. We are also talking about Ripple, Ripple X, Interledger. We're talking about Flare, Flare Finance. There's a lot of things in regards to XRP's overall value that not a lot of people actually incorporate or even think about. And then we see Bitcoin, which hit nearly a $2 trillion market cap. store of value, poor medium of exchange, slow transactions, and high fees. Not to mention the fact that it is all backed by speculative shilling of these massive influencers. And I'm just going to say it right now, XRP will take the world by storm. It will. A lot of people can't see it, and a lot of people actually don't hold XRP. A lot of people are like, well, if XRP hits this, you know how many people are going to be rich? Not a lot of people. Not a lot of people at all. Think about it like this, right? XRP's rich list. If we actually break this down, first off, there's 3.3 million holders of XRP right now, currently. And you know what's funny about this? 2.4 million hold 20 XRP to 499. Another almost 300,000 hold 0 to 19. The most amount of holders right now hold 1,000 to 5,000 realistically above the $500 threshold, which is accounting for 200 and nearly 70,000 holders. We also see 100 and almost 30,000 are holding 500 to 1,000. And after that, the numbers severely disintegrate. We're talking about the only people that actually hold 100,000 plus to 100 to 200,000 almost is 12.2K. That's it. So, isn't it funny that when a lot of people think that, oh, what if it hit this price? You know, a lot of people will basically become, you know, the future 1%, but it's not that many people actually, if you think about it. So this is actually great to see. A lot of these people down here, don't get me wrong, they will make quite a bit of money too if they hold it long term, but they're not going to nearly become the future 1% or anything like that. You know, a lot of those numbers are up in these other ranges. So, you know, not a lot of people actually hold. And even if we look here by percentage, we could actually see that, right? So anybody who is holding, you know, for an example, greater than or equal to 2,238 XRP is only accounting for 10%. We also see 8,813 is 5%. 11,486, 4%, and so forth. So this is actually crazy to see because even if you hold greater than or equal to 116,000, you are holding 0.5%. That is actually crazy to see. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at the whales accumulating XRP at an astronomical rate up here. This tells me something huge is happening because this is greater than or equal to 10 million XRP. And look at that massive inflow of volume. So right now, I'm just going to say it right now, pay attention to what is about to happen because they know something that we obviously don't know. But I know for a fact that we are going to win this lawsuit. There's no doubt in my mind. After that, we are going to see massive inflows of US-based customers rejoining the team. We are going to see ODL services ramping up, cross-border transactions being made. Not only that, but XRP becomes the first cryptocurrency to gain clarity. Not only that, but think about it like this. The IMF, the collapse of the system of the fixed exchange rates, shook the world in 1971, but paved the way for the modern international monetary system. As we contemplate how the digital age may further alter the system, the past holds some lessons. And the lesson here is that we will most likely see another financial collapse very soon. And I've been saying it for a very long time, even in regards to the whole idea of inflation rates at an astronomical rate. You know, we have Powell saying that it's transitory, but it's not. Okay, you cannot disregard inflation rates right now. We are going to see a stock market crash. We are going to see a housing market crash. This is going to be the collapse that will shake the world and allow for crypto adoptions to really take place. And if we're talking about XRP, XRP is one of those assets that I do think has the most potential to actually be brought in and pave the way for all of crypto assets, especially in regards to what it could do. We even see here, Ripple pilots a private ledger for central banks launching CBDCs. Money moving on the CBDC private ledger will be cost-effective, reliable, and instantaneous, 10K plus transactions per second, 60K plus more efficient than proof of work, Ripple Insights. And here we go. Here's all those insights here. The CBDC private ledger is based on the same technology that powers the XRP ledger, which means that the CBDC private ledger is built for payments. The CBDC private ledger designed for issuing 5,400 currencies, including XRP, which could be leveraged as a neutral bridge asset for frictionless value movement between CBDCs and other currencies. We even see here cost-effective, reliable, and close to instantaneous transactions. Guys, you cannot disregard what is actually happening behind closed doors. And you might be wondering, well, why would businesses be utilizing XRP when they could utilize this, that, whatever the case may be? Well, it's simple, right? We even see here, we moved $50 million worth of XRP into our company in 2 seconds, and it cost it 30 cents. There is no way to do that with fiat or Bitcoin. And this is exactly what I've been saying forever now, right? First off, it might have been easier to also do this if XRP was valued at, I don't know, $100, right? You wouldn't need to move extreme amounts of XRP. You would only have to move a little bit of amounts. And that is why I always say that XRP's value is truly limitless in the idea of it being utilized for these massive B2B payments, for CBDCs, for cross-border transactions, for the ODL service, the line of credit, whatever the case may be. And it goes all the way back to even this. With these massive use cases, you know, if I was a business, why would I want to be moving 1 billion tokens when I could just move 100,000 or 10,000, whatever the case may be? But also, we got to think about it in the bigger picture. It will save these institutions, these businesses, these individuals that are transacting hundreds of thousands to, you know, millions of dollars a day, so much in fees. And I'm not talking about just millions of dollars in you know, cross-border payments a day. That will be trillions of dollars. I'm talking about just P2P payments, peer-to-peer. The possibilities are truly endless if you are building with or utilizing XRP, because it will save you astronomical amounts of money, and businesses love to scrape any penny together to save money on anything. So why wouldn't they use XRP? XRP is truly the future, especially when we talk about 300 plus financial institutions already building with XRP and accepting XRP. But also, I'm just saying it right now, a financial collapse is going to happen, and that is going to pave the way for XRP the same way it did back in 1971. So pay attention to what is happening around the world, not just in terms of crypto. That's why I always say, pay attention to what the Fed is doing. Pay attention to what is happening in even politics, because politics play a big part as well. Pay attention to what's happening with the indices as well. There's so many things to keep an eye out for, but they will also tell you so many things. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys don't want free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. I hope that you all have a beautiful day or beautiful night, wherever you guys are on this people world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.